Let's talk about the latest launched OPPO smartphone Reno 11 Pro. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with OLED curved display, 6.74 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1240 by 2772 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 90.3% screen to body ratio, approximately 451 ppi pixel density, 1600 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, scratch resistant glass protection, and HDR10 plus color quality support. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel OIS 24mm main wide-angle camera, along with the 32 megapixel 47mm telephoto camera, and 8 megapixel 16mm ultra-wide-angle camera. For selfies it has 32 megapixel wide-angle front camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30/60 fps on rear camera, and 4K at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ColorOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.2 GHz single-core Cortex-X2, plus 2.5 GHz tri-core Cortex-A710, plus 1.8 GHz dual-core Cortex-A510, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 730 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 512 GB of UFS 3.1. Onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163 by 74.2 by 8.2 mm, and it weighs around 190 grams, and the color options obsidian black, turquoise, green, moonstone colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 4700 mAh battery, with 80-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, and a USB Type-C charging port, with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OPPO Reno 11 Pro has been expected price in Pakistan for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage. Variant at 127,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $490, while 12 GB plus 512 GB storage. Variant at 137,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $530. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this OPPO Reno 11 Pro smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.